First, I made a beat using the kick and snare with some close hi-hats. Then I attempted to create a melody in the C major scale. I then added a bass guitar that goes up in the scale. It still felt something was missing, so I found some kind of instrument to also go with the bass guitar. Then finally, I added a new melody on top to make it stand out. And this is the final result.